Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color is found in the particular fruit, goes by the same name, having a shade of purple. This color is produced by combining red and blue, resulting in a deep, dark purple hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Mulberry, 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 mulberry. Mulberry is crucial in the context of fashion and interior design, helping designers and artists to create rich, warm, and luxurious palettes. It's a color often associated with sophistication and depth. If you enjoyed learning about mulberry, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.